Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make an affiliate marketing funnel for free. Yes, literally for free. So let's start. All right, just to show you, this is actually my funnel that I have used, and it has so far generated me around 786 leads, all for free using this funnel itself. So this platform is called System.io. It has a lot of things here that you can actually use, such as the ability to create funnels, create emails, campaigns. You even can see the statistics. Even has this blog, but for this blog, it's not actually as good as the one that you actually create from WordPress that has SEO baked in. This kind of blogs is actually something that can be used for starters where you're going to drive traffic into this. All right. It also has a very powerful automation platform that you can use. You can create products. You can sell courses in this platform as well, which is all good. But in this video, I'm just going to show you how you can create a funnel, very simple, easy funnel, and an affiliate marketing platform that you can join to start making money online immediately and for free. So as you can see, these are some of my funnels. I normally have an affiliate opt-in page where if you click into this, and this is how it will looks like. So for example, I'm doing an affiliate marketing for Jasper. So some of you who will be watching this video will probably know that I am also an affiliate marketer for Jasper. And this is the kind of things that I do. All right. So as simple as you can see, you can create your particular website. And if you want to edit it, you can always go to edit. You can change the URL from here. And this is how my website looks like. All right. So it's basically very simple. You don't actually have to do something like this. You can click real funnel step right here. Basically, something like this works really well. The more simple it is, the better. What you want them to do is to give you their information, whereby later you can always remarket them using emails. So say they give you their information here, for example. Once you got that, you can click here and then you can send them to an affiliate page, as you can see right here. So Jasper is of course an AI product and it's really powerful. I use Jasper for almost all of my landing pages as well. So it's really powerful. It has improved tremendously even after ChatGPT has came out. And yeah, there's a lot of useful things from here. The difference between Jasper and ChatGPT is that Jasper, you technically don't necessarily have to put all the prompts because they already have an AI that learn all the best marketing secrets, and they will be able to produce you work similarly, if not better than ChatGPT. If you're going to use ChatGPT, you probably have to give a pre-prompt, for example, act like as a marketer and talk in this tone and whatnot. And yeah, you can technically sign up for here, and most AI products or affiliate marketing products, all you need to do is scroll all the way down and you can see affiliate program here. If you click into this, you can basically sign up for it, and yeah, there you go. And you can start creating your funnels using System.io and creating similar pages like this. Let me show you how it looks like when I click an edit page. So this is how you can edit it if you know how to create a presentation slides on Microsoft PowerPoint. You technically know how to do this. It's gonna take a little bit of time for you to learn, but eventually you're gonna be a pro at it. And the good thing about this, you can always clone this, create another affiliate marketing product, and do what you have done before. And sooner or later, you see all your particular leads coming in, whereby you will send them to the particular affiliate marketing page that you want them to go. At the same time, you can kick in your emails, such as campaigns and newsletter, and something that I've done personally like here. All right. So this means that 4 email counts. So I also personally promote this script as well. So if you can take a look at my script emails, so this will show you how many contacts is currently at this stage, how many emails have been sent out. It can show you the open rates, the total clicks. So all of this actually very easy to be done if you know how to do it. And honestly, it's not really that difficult and it's not rocket science. when you first start, it's going to be difficult. But if you continue to improve yourself every single day, you will get better at it over time. So yeah, this is a very, very powerful platform to get you started. And the good thing is System.io is free. You can start out free first and it's free forever. But obviously, if you upgrade, you get more better stuff and generally better automation, better funnels and whatnot. But you don't have to start out by paying first. You start out for free. Now, disclaimer, System.io may not be the most powerful funnel builder out there. In my experience, I've tried out Katra, Go High Level, and both of them tends to be so much more powerful than System. But if you are new, you definitely want to try out something that is free to get you more comfortable before you can move forward. So for myself and an expert funnel builder myself, why do I use System.io? Well, technically, number one, it's free. And of course, number two, I'm an affiliate marketer for System.io as well. I do test out a lots of funnels out there and I do give you guys real, honest recommendation on what's the best funnel out there. And if you are a beginner, don't try out all those paid ones out there. You should try something which is free in the beginning. And once you get more comfortable with it, then definitely try out Katra or another one would be Go High Level. You can also try ClickFunnels as well. And in my experience, I love ClickFunnels. I actually came from ClickFunnels. However, my own honest experience, try all of them. Like me, myself, I tried all of them. I see what I like, I stick into it. In my experience today, I actually prefer Go High Level because the ability for me to manage agency based on that. Now, what sort of affiliate marketing platform you should be joining for you to actually get your first affiliate marketing partnership? Number one is definitely you can search up on all those AI tech products. You can search all of them using Product Hunt, just like this. So Product Hunt is one of the best place for you to search what is the top trending products out there. And for example, in this case, you can see artificial intelligence. So I personally love AI and I do promote the heck out of it. And yeah, you can search some of the best ones here out there. And if you like something, click onto it and you see again, scroll all the way down. If there's affiliate marketing there, you can start out with that. But if this kind of website doesn't give you the kind of affiliate marketing that you want, for example, you are into the health niche or nutrition niche, don't worry, I got you. All you need to do is to go this kind of website. So the first is I suggest you to go into Max Bounty. So Max Bounty is not bad. In fact, I've liked a lot of the kind of products that they do suggest. If you are someone who wants to advertise with Max Bounty, this is the way to go. Or if you want to be an affiliate for Max Bounty clients, you can actually check this out. So you can click here, become an affiliate, and can put in your information here. All right. So normally no, and this is where you fill out your information. Now, mind you, this kind of affiliate marketing websites will generally ask you whether or not you have some affiliate marketing experience. The best way for you to do this is just be honest. Hey, you are probably someone new. You probably want to know and learn something about affiliate marketing. But here's the kicker. If you actually take a course in affiliate marketing, you can definitely say that you have taken course in affiliate marketing, or if you have some experience in digital marketing, this will actually be a huge bonus. All right. So number one is Max Bounty. Number two is Share a Sale. This is also very good. I've tried Share a Sale. I like it quite a lot. And of course, CJ.com. CJ.com is also one of the largest ones. And generally, you can sign up. Generally, sign up all of them if you want to. In my experience, you can sign up all of them. Try one or two that you really, really like. And most importantly, if you need to take more time into this, take more time, because what you need to do is you need to search the product which is suitable for you. Okay. Last but not least is ClickBank. Okay. So ClickBank is I have a good experience into this. Also not so good experience into this as well because of the sheer number of products that is in ClickBank. So what you want to do is you need to search for the products that has high gravity. Okay, when it has high gravity, which means it's trending, it's popular. People are making money out of that. Okay. And that is where you should pick product with high gravity. The good thing about this is that ClickBank, it has a lot of, starters information that you can learn as well. So yeah, you can start out as a ClickBank affiliate here. You can put in an email address and they'll definitely send you email course or whatnot in this case, so you can actually learn, or maybe a video as well. Hopefully they have improved and start giving people video. And yeah, once you take this course itself, as I said, you can go to all this platform itself and tell them that you have taken a course as well to improve yourself as an affiliate marketer, and likely for you to be accepted to this affiliate marketing platform is so much more higher. Hopefully this video is going to help you get started, especially in making your own affiliate marketing funnel for free. Use system.io. And if you want to use a AI platform to improve your conversions, I would suggest you to use Jasper. Jasper AI is in fact paid. Okay. Same with ChatGPT 4.0. All right. They are both paid platforms, but ChatGPT 3.5 is still free. However, I do suggest you to go to this other platform, which is similar to ChatGPT, that is currently still free, but it's only available in the UK and some other countries. If you are not in UK or some other countries, just use a VPN and you can sign up with that. Okay. And that is none other than Claude. So Claude is created by none other than Anthropic. And Anthropic is actually the ex-ChatGPT developers and is really, really awesome. In fact, it's so much more powerful than the current ChatGPT because apparently ChatGPT has been dwindling in its efficiency. And I wouldn't say efficiency, but I would say the response that it gives is not as powerful when it first started. And I'm not so sure why. You can check that out actually. So Anthropic being co-founded by ex-OpenAI employees, you can be sure that the things that they are coming out with would be awesome. So do check it out. It's currently free, but I do not know how long. So quickly get it up, start building all your funnels and start making money out from that. It's not going to be free forever. So definitely now's your opportunity. Don't waste this opportunity. Get started now. So yeah, I hope this video helps you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.